Hello and welcome to Maverick Learners. In this video, we will understand the usage of access modifiers in Java. So, the access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a method, class or a constructor. Okay. In Java, we have only four kind of access modifier which changes the access level of a certain method, class or constructor. So there are only four of them: private, default. Here default means if you don't use any keyword as an access modifier, then it will be considered as default. Okay, and after that protected and then public. So we will discuss all of them one by one. So first of all we will look after private access modifier. So if you look into this table here, if you use access modifier private, then you can only access it within the same class. Okay, so let's have a look of it. One more thing, class and interface cannot be made private. So to understand this, let us create an example of it. So for that we have to create an text document, give the name as sample Java. Now let's edit it. First give the class name as sample, enter, public static void main. So this is the basic structure of a class. Now we are going to create a private variable int a is equal to 10, and now we are going to call it from the static main method. Okay, so for that we have to create an object of it. So sample obj is equal to new, and now we are going to simply print it out. System.out.println obj.a. Now we have completed the class sample with a basic example. Now let's have a look what will happen if we run it. So for that we are going to open command prompt, change the directory to desktop, compile it. Now you can see it is successfully compiled. Now let's run it. Okay, now you can see it has successfully run and give the result as 10. Now if you do the same thing within a package created by you, then it will again run. Okay, so let's take a look of it also. So and make this class as public. Okay, control save. Now to run it, what you have to do, you have to simply append d. Now you can see package created over here. So now let's run it. Now to run it, what you have to do, package name p1 dot enter. Now within the package you can do the same thing. Okay, but what will happen if we move the private int a is equal to 10 into a different class within the same package? So let's have a look of it also. So for that I am going to delete this line and create a separate class, simple, and here I am going to write private int a is equal to 10. Now here we are going to create an object of class simple. So we have to change the name as simple and also over here. Now let's save it and try to run it. Now here you can see there is an error. A has private access in simple. Okay, what that means, you cannot access a private variable or method outside of a class. Okay, if you make a method or a class private, then you can only use it within a same class, not in a different class. So let's remove this keyword private, so it will be of default type. So let's save it and let's again try to run it. Now you can see it has been successfully compiled. Now let's try to run it. Now you can see the result, desired result. Okay, we got it. Now let's move to the next module. Now what will happen if we move this class to a different package and try to access it from this class only? Okay, then let's try it. What will happen? So for that we are going to create a new text document. Let's give the name as simple and change the extension as Java. Now just copy this one, Control C. Now here we are going to create a package of it. Give the name of package as P2. Now let's save it and here write import package P2 dot star. This line will help to import all the elements of package P2. Okay, so now let's have a look what will happen if we'll try to run it. So save it and compile both of them. So first sample. So okay, we have to compile. Simple first, compile, and then sample. Now you can see it has been compiled successfully. Okay, now let's try to run it. Java you can see again we got a desired result. But if you look into the chart, the default can be used within the same package. But if you create a subclass of it, then you cannot use it. So it is only possible with the usage of keyword protected over there. So let's check it out. So I am going to extend this, extends class simple. As this class sample is trying to extend class simple, okay, then what that means, simple is been inherited by the class sample, which means simple is the superclass of class sample, which is the subclass of simple. Okay, so we are going to create an object of it. We have to make it sample over there. Okay, now here let us make the class simple as public and let's save it and try to run it. So if you compile this and compile this, so you can see there is an error. A is not a public in simple and cannot be accessed from outside the package. So if you do like that, then it will not run. So we have to append a keyword protected over there. So for that I'm going to write protected. Now let's save it and try to run this again. I can see it has been successfully compiled. You can see the desired result is over there. So this is the whole concept of access modifier, private, default, protected, and the last one, public. Public can be used from anywhere or everywhere you want to do it. So if you replace the protected keyword over here from public, it will do the same. Okay, and even if you remove this package name, okay, and save it and remove this also, you can do the same. You can see it has been successfully compiled, which means while if you use the keyword public over there, if you make a variable, a class, or a method public, then it can be accessed from anywhere, everywhere you want to do it. So now again try to run it. So you can see this is the desired result what we wanted. So this is the whole concept of all the 4 access modifiers in Java. And usage of access modifiers increases the readability of a program. If you try to dry run a program and if you understand the usage of these keywords, so it will be far more easier to decode the codes. Okay, so that's it. This is for this video. Thank you.